Hello, my friends. I'm Agnes. Welcome to my channel. Today we're making an amazing pumpkin roll. It's just the right season for it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to do it now, because I'll be sharing incredible recipes in the coming weeks. Let's take a look at this wonderful dessert. It's fantastically moist, delicately spiced, a true autumn specialty that will enchant your friends and family. Let's get started. You can find everything in detail in the description below the video. Cut the pumpkin into pieces, place it in a baking tray, prick it with a fork, pour 100 milliliters of water underneath, then cover it with foil. Place it in a preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius and steam for about 30 minutes, then remove the foil and bake for another 30 to 40 minutes until completely soft. Leave it covered with foil until it cools, then scrape out the flesh. It will keep in the fridge for a few days in an airtight container. Leave it covered with foil until it cools, then scrape out the flesh. It will keep in the fridge for a few days in an airtight container. Measure out 160 grams of it for the roll. Give some to your little pets too, if they like it. No, don't worry, I washed my hands afterwards. Let's take a look at the ingredients for the sponge. 90 grams flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon cloves, 1/4 teaspoon ginger, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 4 medium eggs, 190 grams granulated sugar, 160 grams pumpkin puree, 50 grams melted butter vanilla, extract zest of 1/2 orange. Mix the dry ingredients with the flour. If you're as excited about this creamy, moist roll as I am, give a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next recipe. This helps my channel grow, and I'll be really grateful to you. If you have any ideas on how I could make my channel better, please write them in the comments. Your opinion really matters. Crack the eggs into the mixing bowl of the stand mixer. Whip for a few minutes, then add the granulated sugar. Continue whipping, then add the vanilla, followed by the pumpkin. Keep mixing, then grate in the zest of 1/2 an orange. Fold in the dry ingredients as well. I always fold in the dry ingredients gently with a whisk, because this way they don't get lumpy, and I end up with a smooth, even batter. Try it this way too. Finally, stir in the melted butter. Spread it into a baking tray lined with parchment paper, 28 by 35 centimeters. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. I sprinkle a little powdered sugar over the kitchen towel so the hot sponge doesn't stick to it. Roll it up tightly while still hot and let it cool on a wire rack. While the sponge is cooling, let's make the filling. Put the butter into the mixing bowl of the stand mixer and start whipping. After a few minutes, add the powdered sugar and the vanilla extract. Scrape down the sides of the bowl a few times. When it has turned pale, light, and fluffy, add the mascarpone as well. Mix together for another 2 to 3 minutes on medium speed. Look at this beautiful, fluffy, silky cream. Spread the cream evenly over the sponge and roll up the cake tightly. Wrap it in cling film and place it in the fridge for a few hours or preferably overnight. I always leave it overnight. This way the cream can fully set inside the sponge and the flavors have time to blend together. Before serving, sprinkle the roll with powdered sugar and slice it with a serrated knife. This is a simple bread knife, so it won't squash the roll. This special moist roll is perfect even for a festive holiday table. Every bite melts in your mouth with warm autumn spices and creamy filling. The soft sponge and silky cream create a heavenly combination you'll fall in love with. Make this wonderful autumn dessert with me. I guarantee you won't be disappointed. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel. It helps my videos reach more people. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.